So hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So this is the last section of the IAM where we will see what is CloudShell. Okay, so generally when we are creating a console user, okay, if we are giving CloudShell access or full access to that user, so by default he is getting CloudShell access. Okay, so in that access, okay, a user can run all the commands which he can perform in the console. For example, I have opened my console. Okay, so this is not a root account, it's a normal IAM user. Okay, and this user is having admin access. So let's go to CloudWatch. You can open CloudWatch from here. Okay, and another option is this is the prompt. If you will open this, it will also open a cloud shell. Okay, so any way you can use. So let's open this in another shell. Okay, so it's opening. Okay, so you can see you got a shell. Okay, and this is a cloud shell where you can perform CLI actions. Okay, AWS -F version. If you will see, you will get CLI version is already installed here. Okay, so this is just a Linux, okay, shell for you. So suppose, okay, so here you can see, first let me show you. Go to IAM. Okay, and you have logged in with the Vijay Kumar user, and this user is having admin access. Okay, so if I will run AWS S3 ls, this will work. Okay, it is working fine, correct? If you want to work AWS IAM user list, I think this is the command. Okay, list -users, I think. Let me type list -users. Okay, so see, this is the output you are getting. So in this account there is only one user, V Kumar. Okay, same thing you can see from here. So this output is in JSON format. Suppose you want to see this output in table format. Okay, so table output is just, I mean, it's a better view you can see. So let me tell you the command. So in every command, if you want to take output in table, you have to append this output space table. So what this command will do, you can see now it is visible very when you can see every information in streamline. ARN, created date, password, last use, path, user ID, and username. Okay, so by this you can fetch the reports also on all the users when they last accessed. Okay, for the reporting purpose. And here, if you will go to IAM section, okay, go to reports. So here also you can see you have a credential, download credential report. So from here also you can create your IAM users report. Okay, so this cloud shell is very useful. Okay, suppose you want to create, suppose I want to create a bucket. Okay, so let me, okay, so see, first of all we have only one bucket. Okay, so suppose if I want to create bucket with the command line, so I will just do AWS S3 MB make bucket. Okay, and then S3 colon / and bucket name like Vijay test user and some random numbers. See, make bucket is created. So if you will go bucket, If you will refresh this, you can see this bucket is created. Okay, so if you want to delete, you can delete from here, or you want to delete from console or CLI, it's up to you. So CLI is very useful. Okay, so one more thing, when you are opening this cloud shell from here, so one second, let me show you. Okay, so when I'm clicking on EC2 and I'm opening a cloud shell from here, so you can see you are in North Virginia. Okay, so the services which you will see from the North Virginia only, this cloud shell is for North Virginia. Okay, anyway, the user, this IAM policy and this S3 is a global service. We will talk in later section, but just tell you, if you are in North Virginia, the cloud shell will be open in North Virginia region. Okay, suppose I can open one file. Okay, let me example notepad. Okay, so this is my blank notepad, and suppose you have some script. Okay, and this is saved on your downloads, for example. Okay, it's a txt file. Suppose it's a script. Okay, and you want to upload in the cloud shell something, so it is saved. So here in action, when you will click on upload, then it will show you downloads, and then you can easily upload your scripts also in the cloud shell. You can see it's uploading. Once this will upload, you can see it's successfully uploaded. When you will ls, you can see this file. Okay, so cloud shell is very useful if you have some script on your local machines and you want to upload and you want to run with cloud shells, so you can upload very well. Same way you can download also. If you have some file here, you can click and you can download. You have to give the path. You can copy this path and you can paste here and you can easily download also. Okay, if you want a new tab, you can open a new tab. You can open and again a new tab. You can see this is in US East one. Okay, so I will make one video with the AWS CLI, some commands. Okay, some basic commands that will be helpful for you, so stay with me. I will upload more videos. Okay, and we will not go in hurry. We will learn one by one and slowly. Okay, I will try to explain every feature so that you can crack any interview. Okay, so one last thing I want to tell you. So in lots of the interview, okay, some persons is asking like, okay, suppose you have two different account, AWS account, and you want to give one bucket access to the another account. Okay, so how we can do this? That is possible with the IAM. You can tell them, okay, this is possible with the IAM role feature. So how it is possible? In the IAM, when we will go to role, okay, when we will create a role, then we have the option AWS account. Okay, here we have to choose the another account and we have to put the account ID number for the different account. Okay, and then we have to click on next. This is not valid. Okay, once again, let me copy this one so that I can show you more feature. Okay, this is example. When you will click on next, then what you want to give, S3 read only access, like this. Okay, when you will click a role, then this role can be assumed by this account ID. Okay, so cross account access also possible with help of IAM role. So if you want to see the video, you can comment in this video. I will make a video for you how it is working. But the answer of that question is it is possible with the IAM role. Okay, you don't have to share any password, just they have to switch the role which you will give and they can access your AWS resources. So that's it for this video. I will meet you in the next video.